We crouch near a dune beetle making its way up a sand ridge. This little insect has perhaps one of the most inventive water-gathering techniques. In the Namib Desert, in coastal Southwest Africa, darkling beetles climb dunes at dawn and do headstands, raising their abdomens. Their bumpy backs catch faint fog blowing in from the Atlantic. Droplets condense and run down to their mouths. In the Sahara, where fog is rare, a similar beetle might wait for dew, or simply derive moisture from the plants it eats and metabolic water.